Welcome to Araban Dictionary, your online guide to Arabic slang. A foreigner is no longer foreign when you understand their language. Show us in the comments below how you can use today's word in your own sentence for a chance to win a free cool Araban Dictionary t-shirt. Today's word is Bibasata. 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 Bibasata is an Arabic word that simply means, well, simply. It is generally used when someone is either trying to break down a complex situation or a story, and it can also be used in a condescending way to imply that you are conversing with an idiot and you're trying to dumb down the information. Well, this diagram shows the fluctuation of the stock market over the past year and the incremental negative impact it had on your investment fund. Bebasata, you're screwed. Please like, subscribe, and share. Tell us in the comments if there are words you'd like us to feature next. Want to have a cool t-shirt with today's word and help a refugee? Today's word is available on t-shirts, mugs, and other cool products, and part of the proceeds will be donated to refugee assistance charities. Check out the links in our bio or in the description below.